The year is 2024. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. It's not just science fiction anymore. AI is here, and it's creating incredible opportunities. One of the most exciting areas is content creation. AI is empowering individuals to generate income in innovative ways. This is the era of the AI gold rush, and it's time to stake your claim. For centuries, creativity was seen as uniquely human. Now, AI is breaking down those barriers. Imagine generating stunning artwork, writing captivating stories, or producing professional quality videos, all with the help of AI. This is the power AI brings to the table. But it's not just about creative expression. AI also unlocks new avenues for monetization. Get ready to unlock the secrets of AI monetization and embark on a journey into the future of creativity and income generation. AI is revolutionizing content creation, making it faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. Imagine transforming your ideas into written content with the help of AI writing assistants. These tools can generate blog posts, articles, social media captions, and even books. AI can help you overcome writer's block, improve your writing style, and reach a wider audience. AI image generators are creating stunning visuals that were once the exclusive domain of professional artists. With just a few prompts, you can generate unique and captivating artwork, illustrations, and designs. These tools can be used for personal projects, marketing materials, or even sold as digital art. Video creation, often seen as complex and time-consuming, is also being transformed by AI. AI video generators can create engaging videos from scratch or enhance existing footage. The best part? You don't need to be a technical expert to leverage these AI tools. This democratization of creativity is empowering individuals from all walks of life to express themselves and share their ideas with the world. AI art is not just aesthetically pleasing, it represents a new frontier in digital ownership and monetization. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, provide a secure way to buy, sell, and own digital assets, including AI-generated art. This has created a thriving marketplace where artists and collectors converge. First, create a unique piece of art using an AI art generator. Then, choose an NFT marketplace to list your artwork. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Nifty Gateway connect artists with potential buyers. Once your artwork is minted as an NFT, it becomes a one-of-a-kind asset that can be bought, sold, or traded. Each NFT is recorded on a blockchain, ensuring its authenticity and scarcity. Selling your AI art as NFTs can generate passive income, especially if your artwork gains popularity and desirability. By building a community around their work, artists can foster loyalty and drive demand for their creations. The intersection of AI art and NFTs presents a unique opportunity for creative individuals to monetize their work and participate in a rapidly growing digital economy. The demand for high-quality content is skyrocketing, and AI is stepping up to meet this demand. This has led to the rise of AI-driven content services, offering a wide range of solutions for businesses and individuals. Whether it's writing, editing, graphic design, or video production, AI tools are streamlining processes and delivering impressive results. One of the most significant benefits of using AI-driven content services is cost-effectiveness. AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, reducing the need for human intervention and lowering labor costs. This allows businesses to scale their content production without breaking the bank. Freelancers and entrepreneurs can also leverage these services to enhance their productivity and offer more competitive rates. AI tools can generate content much faster than humans, enabling businesses to meet tight deadlines and capitalize on trending topics. AI-driven content services can help ensure consistency and quality. This consistency is essential for building a strong brand identity and fostering trust with your audience. AI is not just changing how we create content, it's also transforming how we market it. AI-powered marketing tools offer sophisticated solutions for targeting the right audience, optimizing campaigns, and measuring results. These tools provide data-driven insights that can elevate your content marketing strategy to new heights. By analyzing user data, AI algorithms can tailor content recommendations, email campaigns, and even website layouts to individual preferences. This level of personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. AI can also optimize your content for search engines, ensuring that your target audience can find you online. AI-powered SEO tools can analyze keywords, track rankings, and suggest improvements to your content to improve its visibility and drive more organic traffic to your website. AI can analyze the performance of your content marketing campaigns in real time. By leveraging AI-powered marketing tools, you can gain a competitive edge and achieve your content marketing goals more effectively. In today's digital landscape, personalization is paramount. Consumers are bombarded with content, and they crave experiences tailored to their individual needs and preferences. AI empowers businesses to deliver this level of personalization, fostering stronger customer relationships and driving sales. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and predict behavior, allowing businesses to deliver highly targeted and relevant content. E-commerce companies are already leveraging AI to recommend products based on browsing history, purchase history, and even social media activity. This level of personalization enhances the shopping experience, increases customer satisfaction, and boosts sales conversions. Content creators can use AI to personalize their content to different segments of their audience. This could include creating different versions of an article tailored to different reading levels or interests. This ensures that everyone who interacts with your content finds it valuable and engaging. By embracing AI-driven personalization, businesses and creators can cut through the noise, connect with their audience on a deeper level, and achieve better results. It's about delivering the right content to the right person at the right time, creating a win-win situation for everyone involved. As with any transformative technology, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential risks and ethical considerations associated with AI. While AI offers incredible opportunities for monetization, it's essential to use it responsibly and ethically. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's natural to wonder if it will replace human jobs in creative fields. While it's true that AI can automate certain tasks, it's more likely to augment human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. Another consideration is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI is trained on massive data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing biases, the AI algorithms themselves can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used in a fair and unbiased manner. Furthermore, there are concerns about the ownership and copyright of AI-generated content. By acknowledging these risks and engaging in open discussions about ethical guidelines, we can harness the power of AI for good while mitigating potential harm. The rise of AI is not a threat to creativity, it's an opportunity to redefine it. AI is empowering a new generation of creators, providing them with the tools to bring their ideas to life in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The traditional barriers to entry in creative fields are crumbling. You no longer need expensive equipment, years of training, or connections in the industry to share your creative talents with the world. All you need is an internet connection and the willingness to explore the possibilities of AI. The creator economy is about empowering individuals to monetize their passions and build sustainable careers doing what they love. AI is the key to unlocking this potential, democratizing creativity and providing a platform for anyone with a story to tell or an idea to share. This is the promise of AI, and it's already becoming a reality. The future of creativity is here, and it's powered by AI. This isn't a distant dream, it's happening now. The tools are available, the opportunities are abundant, and the time to take action is now. Don't just observe this revolution from the sidelines. Jump in and become a part of it. Start by exploring the world of AI-powered creative tools. Experiment with AI writing assistants, image generators, and video editors. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve. Once you're comfortable with the basics, start thinking about how you can monetize your skills. Consider selling your AI-generated art as NFTs. Offer your services as an AI-powered content creator. The key is to identify your passions, leverage the power of AI, and take action. Embrace the power of AI, unlock your creative potential, and embark on a journey that could transform your life. The convergence of AI and creativity is ushering in a new era of possibilities. From AI-generated art and NFTs to AI-driven content services and personalized marketing, the opportunities for monetization are vast and continue to expand. This is an exciting time to be a creator, and the future belongs to those who embrace the power of AI. By embracing AI, we unlock new levels of creative expression and open doors to income streams that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The key is to approach AI with a sense of curiosity, experimentation, and a commitment to ethical considerations. By using AI responsibly and thoughtfully, we can create a more vibrant, inclusive, and prosperous creative landscape for everyone. Dive into the world of AI, unleash your creative potential, and unlock a world of opportunities that await you.